If you're looking to buy a home in Kent County, Maryland with no money down, this video is for you. My name is David Zuckerman, and I'm a mortgage broker with Millennial Home Loans, where we specialize in low to no money down mortgage loan programs, including a unique 80/20 loan that is not available through many lenders. Whether you're planning to purchase in Chestertown, Rock Hall, Millington, Galena, Butlertown, Fairlee, Chesapeake Landing, or anywhere else throughout Kent County, there are real zero down payment mortgage options that may allow you to buy a home with minimal to no cash required at the settlement table, provided the seller pays your closing costs. And make sure you stay to the end, because I'll show you how to get a free report covering the 20 most important things lenders look at when determining whether you qualify for a mortgage. Let's start with one of the most powerful and least talked about options, the 80/20 loan. This is a unique conventional loan program offered by Millennial Home Loans that allows you to purchase a home with no down payment and no monthly mortgage insurance. The loan is structured as an 80% first mortgage and a 20% second mortgage, and both loans are 30-year fixed-rate mortgages with the exact same interest rate. Together, they finance 100% of the purchase price, eliminating the need to save for a down payment. This program allows up to 3% seller pay closing cost assistance, which can significantly reduce or in some cases eliminate your cash to close. The 80/20 loan is available to first-time homebuyers, move-up buyers, and even homeowners who want to retain their current home as an investment property while purchasing a new primary residence. Income eligibility is based on the income listed on the loan application, not total household income, but it must not exceed 80% of the area median income for the property location. There's an income lookup tool linked below, so you can easily check eligibility for any specific address. Next is the USDA loan backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. USDA loans offer 100% financing with no down payment required, and they feature monthly mortgage insurance premiums that are significantly lower than the FHA loan program. Credit guidelines are flexible, with approvals possible starting as low as a 580 middle credit score, and the loan is a safe, secure 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. USDA loans do have household income limits, and the property must be located in a USDA-eligible area. Let me show you really quick how to determine if a property, city, or county is eligible for USDA financing. Go to Google, type in USDA eligibility map, select property eligibility map, click accept, and enter an address, city, or county name. In this case, I'm entering Kent County, Maryland. This county is 100% geographically eligible. If an area was ineligible, it would be orange. Also, the map shows whether that property is eligible or not. Links to the USDA eligibility map and the county income limits are listed below in the video description. USDA loans also allow up to 6% seller paid closing cost assistance, which means many buyers are able to close with little to no cash required at settlement. The third zero down payment option is the VA loan, backed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. VA loans also offer 100% financing with no down payment required, and if you're a veteran or active duty service member, you likely already know how strong this program is. What many veterans don't realize is that you can often use your VA loan more than once. Even if you've had a prior short sale or foreclosure, or if you currently own a home financed with a VA loan, you may still have enough remaining entitlement to purchase another home using VA financing. VA loans allow up to 4% seller paid for closing costs and whatever is required to cover non-closing cost items such as escrows, prepaid homeowner insurance, and per-day interest, which can dramatically reduce your cash to close. If you have questions, I can quickly review your VA eligibility and let you know whether you can use the VA loan again on your next home purchase. In addition to purchasing existing homes, Millennial Home Loans is also one of the few lenders that offers zero down payment VA and USDA renovation loans, allowing you to purchase a home and finance renovations into one single loan with one monthly payment. We also offer VA and USDA one-time close construction loans, which allow eligible buyers to build a brand new home with no money down using a single loan that covers the land, construction, and long-term financing without the need to refinance later. Bottom line, if you're thinking about buying a home in Kent County, Maryland, there are multiple ways to do it with zero down payment. And by negotiating seller paid closing costs into the transaction, you may be able to buy a home with little to no cash required at the settlement table. If you're even considering buying a home, the next step is simple. Reach out. I'll personally review your situation and let you know which zero down program you may qualify for. And don't forget to request your free report below, outlining the 20 key factors lenders use to approve a mortgage so you can move forward with clarity and confidence.